The quest for longevity has captivated humanity for centuries. From mythical elixirs to modern medicine, we've relentlessly pursued ways to extend our lifespan and enhance our health. But what if the key to longevity lies within us, in the form of tiny, powerful cells called stem cells? Stem cells are the body's master cells, possessing the remarkable ability to develop into various cell types and repair damaged tissues. They are essential for growth, healing, and regeneration. As we age, our stem cell production naturally declines, leading to age-related health issues and a decreased ability to recover from injuries. Recent scientific breakthroughs have revealed that certain foods and beverages can actually boost stem cell production, offering a promising path to improved health and longevity. Dr. William Li has dedicated his research to understanding the link between diet and stem cell health. Imagine your body as a bustling city, with stem cells acting as the construction crew responsible for building and repairing its infrastructure. These microscopic workers are constantly on the move, replacing worn-out cells, mending damaged tissues, and ensuring the smooth functioning of our organs and systems. Stem cells reside in various parts of our body, including bone marrow, fat tissue, and blood vessels. They act as a reservoir of renewal, ready to be deployed whenever and wherever needed. When we experience an injury or illness, stem cells are mobilized to the affected area, where they differentiate into specialized cells to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. However, as we age, our stem cell reserves dwindle, and their ability to repair and regenerate diminishes. This decline in stem cell function contributes to the aging process and the development of age-related diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and neurodegenerative disorders. Dr. William Li's research has revolutionized our understanding of how food can influence stem cell health. Through extensive studies, he has identified specific dietary components that can stimulate stem cell production, enhance their function, and promote overall health and longevity. Dr. Li's work has shown that certain foods contain bioactive compounds that act as signaling molecules, triggering a cascade of events that activate stem cells and promote their growth and proliferation. These compounds include antioxidants, polyphenols, and other phytonutrients found in fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. By incorporating these stem cell boosting foods into our diet, we can effectively support our body's natural repair mechanisms and potentially slow down the aging process. Dr. Li's research has paved the way for a new era of dietary interventions aimed at enhancing stem cell health and promoting longevity. Elixir of Life. Top 3 stem cell boosting drinks. Among the many dietary factors that influence stem cell health, certain beverages stand out for their remarkable ability to stimulate stem cell production and promote regeneration. Here are 3 key drinks that have been scientifically proven to boost stem cell activity. First, green tea. This ancient beverage is rich in polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has been shown to enhance stem cell proliferation and differentiation. Green tea also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, further contributing to its health benefits. Next, pomegranate juice. Bursting with antioxidants and bioactive compounds, pomegranate juice has been found to increase the number of circulating stem cells and improve their ability to repair blood vessels. Its unique blend of nutrients also supports cardiovascular health and may protect against age-related cognitive decline. Lastly, cocoa. A delicious treat with surprising health benefits, cocoa is a potent source of flavonols, which have been shown to stimulate stem cell production in the bone marrow and improve blood Cocoa also contains mood-boosting compounds and may enhance cognitive function. Incorporating these stem cell boosting drinks into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support your health and longevity. Start by replacing sugary beverages with green tea, pomegranate juice, or a cup of unsweetened cocoa. Experiment with different flavors and combinations to find what you enjoy most. You can also explore other stem cell boosting foods, such as blueberries, dark leafy greens, and fatty fish, to create a comprehensive diet that supports your overall well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a significant impact on your health and longevity. So, raise a glass to your health and embark on a journey of rejuvenation with these stem cell boosting elixirs.